Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shushmita and today's video is all about creating easy hairstyles for this puja session. Since I told you guys in my last video that I'm gonna come with a puja hairstyle really soon. So here I am with the new video, and one thing guys, please before watching this video go and subscribe that red button. I see many of you watch my videos but don't subscribe. So guys, please hit that subscribe button first. Okay, you did it? Right. Okay, then let's just begin the video. Okay, so the first hairstyle gonna be the simplest one. Let's start with a very simple one. Just take some part of your hair and just twist it. Sorry for all those baby hairs, but I don't prefer to use any kind of hairspray or anything. So if you don't like them, you can use a hairspray and just tuck it behind the back, and that's it. With this, our first look completed. It's very simple and very easy, and yet it looks so stylish. And even you can use some funky hair clips which came. You can use that hair clip to style your hair and add them over here, so that it's gonna look stylish and funky at the same time. If you like those kind of hair clips, so you can easily do it. And even you can do this with a middle partition or the side partition. Go ahead as you like to do your partition on as it suits on your face. And with that, our first hairstyle completes, and I guess it looks super cute and super easy. And yes, with that, let's move to our second one. Okay, so for the second hairstyle, just take a section of your hair and divide it in the 3 parts, just like you do your regular braids, and do some braids here. And now start adding the parts from your front and some from your back. This will be little tricky, but it's not that hard. If I can do it, you guys can easily do it, since I'm very bad at hairstyling, you guys. Trust me. And just keep on doing like this. I have so many baby hairs, you guys can see. Those are the new grown hairs actually. And now again taking some part from the back. For the timing, just stop it here and add a ribbon or a rubber band. I'm gonna take out my earrings first. It's just creating a little bit of. Let's take out first. And this is how it gonna look. Just pull out some hairs so that it will look a bit puffier. I have so many baby hairs which is ruining the look totally, but so this is how it looks like. Just pull out some hairs so that it's gonna look bit voluminous, and if you can curl it, it's gonna look even more better with that. And since my hairs are short, so this much only the braid I can do, but you can here add some funky scrunchies or any hair ribbon band or hair band or anything, whatever you want. You can add that, and since it's gonna give you a little bit of Punjabi look, you can create this kind of hairstyle for the day timing. It will be good. It's gonna even keep your hairs at a place and gonna look good and not gonna make you look messy or more sweaty. And Okay, so for the next hairstyle, all you have to do a middle partition. Even you can do a side partition if you like to keep your hairs like that way. So you can keep that, and yes, even if you want, you can take out some hairs as a bangs. But my hairs are pretty long from the front, so I cannot keep it as a bang. So just like this, you have to do and make it bit loose. That's it. Your hairs are at a place and it gonna look like a kind of ponytail, but it looks super cute and super cool and super easy. Sorry, my hairs are not at all behaving properly for the mess, and even you can pull some hair out just to give them a messy look, you can say, and just pull out some hair from the front and keep it in the back. Since my hairs are pretty long, that's why I told you I cannot pull out some hairs for a bang. But if you have a short, you can easily do that, or else you can just curl them and leave them as it is. And this is how it looks from behind and from the back. So you can see it's pretty easy and it's wearable and it looks super stylish. And yes, that's it. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, it's pretty simple. Just take some part of your hair from the front and twist it. And do the same on the other side also. I'm dying from the sweat, you guys. And see, it looks pretty cool and cute. At the same time, it's pretty easy. You can do it just take both the ends and just put them together and do add the baby pin. You can add some funky baby pin over there so that it's gonna look more stylish. And see, you guys, it looks super cool. You can do the middle partition. If don't you like middle partition, you can do the side partition. Do as you can do as you want. It's totally up to you guys. I'm just showing you how you can do it. If you like, you can create these hairstyles. If you don't like, you can do your own hairstyles, or you can add some more your uniqueness in these hairstyles. And even if it's too hot, since I'm feeling so hot, you can just take both the hairs, take the whole part of your hair, and that's it. You're done. You can put it like this, or even And that's it. See, it's gonna look more stylish. Lower ponytail you can say, and you can just add in mid or funky earrings, funky ear clips, and it's gonna look super cute and super cool. See guys, I'm just keeping all the hairstyles pretty basic and simple. Just add some funky accessories, hair accessories in them, and they're gonna look super cute. And these kind of hairstyles anyone can easily do. Even if you don't do hairstyles but like to, you can easily do it. And now I'm just doing something which we all do or have done at some point, and that's it you guys. Just a pretty basic this hair bun you can say at the back, and some funky hairstyles at the starting. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys have find these hairstyles helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.